Good morning, and it's checkout day. We have actually been up for a bit. We've cleaned up. It's packing time and heading out. We have some food books at Cafe Rouge at 12:30, so we'll see if we do a bit of bowling. We bought some coins for the arcade, so we'll use those. Yeah, and then it's time to head back, which we will be stopping at a few places, maybe on the way back, so I'll keep filming until I get home. It's okay, it is time to go. We are all tidied up, getting last things in the car. But goodbye, lovely place. Yeah, let's go. We have made it to the arcade to what's our name? Yes. To use our tokens. I'm glad I get them out. I lost that, the aerial hockey. Who knew it'd be tiring work? I also really died because my tongue got stuck. We've got one coin left, so we're going to try some coin stitch. We're going to Hannah's just got to strike how rude on the first go. That is rude. So rude. What, sorry? Yes. Bowling has been done. I won 2 games, I won 1. Yeah. And then I have had a casualty. The nail has come off. So my nail lady will be very happy with me. Yeah, let's look at the menu. It's 11:20. We're booked in at Cafe Rouge at 12:30. But we've got like a, oh it is. But we've got like, we're doing nothing basically for an hour. Might go Starbucks. Do you want a pocket? It's 12 o'clock. We're going to try and get into Cafe Rouge early. Saves us waiting about, and then we can set off home. We're in Cafe Rouge early, but this is the menu.
Oh, it's orangey, isn't it?
Oh. And then got a little bit like bites on the other side. Might get an omelette. Or a steak baguette, I don't know.
I know steak.
The food is here. It looks good. So I went for the chicken burger. Lovely. What? What is it? And I went for the chicken pie. Let's dig in. Hello, mister. Hello. We are in the car. Brilliant. Home. Cafe Rouge is really nice.
Where's your phone? I'll start.
Oh, it's in the bag.
You're joking.
No. We've had a trauma. There's like a little
you've had
daddy long legs on the car handle.
Did for me.
Couldn't do it, but yeah, let's head home. Hello, we have stopped off at the farm shop just to stretch our legs and use the restroom. I'm excited because I've never done this one before. And we always pass it. Would you like some pigs in blankets?
Oh, I really love it.
They're actually really like detailed. Oh, and then you get nuts now instead of just coins.
English.
Oh.
Do you want English?
No, thank you.
Good English.
No thanks. Farm shop is massive. It's the one, it's Mainsgill on the A66. What is that? Yeah. Is it massive? It's massive. Steve? Wow. Now this is a Christmas row. What? You can't think we're in the shop. Oh, and they've got.
Look at this dog.
Oh, I bought some baubles in Centre Parcs, and they've got the exact same ones. How cute are they? We love the shop. Oh, they're lovely baubles, Hannah. We found some alpacas. Don't even know if I can see them. Oh, there's also some pumpkin patch. Oh god.